Hi students, Teacher Richard here to talk about one of my favorite places in Atlanta. And one of my favorite places is Tanyard Creek Park. And here is a picture of the creek. What is a creek? It is a little river, a creek. And in the creek and in the park, there are many, many animals. And my favorite animal in the creek is the turtle. And this is also Teacher Wendy's favorite animal. I like Teacher Wendy because Teacher Wendy likes turtles. And the turtles like to swim in the creek. And in the creek, there are also many, many birds. I have seen the beautiful, oh, that is not a bird. I have seen beautiful red cardinals. Here is the cardinal. And I have seen hawks in the creek. Here is a hawk. And the hawk likes to eat mice. Now remember, mice. 1 foot, 2, 3, 4, many feet. 1 mouse. 1 mouse, but many mice. And the hawk likes to eat mice. Other birds. Here is a beautiful blue heron, which I have seen in the park. And here he is, flying from the water. And another bird is the owl that I have seen in the park. And in America, we say that the owl is wise, meaning that he is like an old, smart man. He is wise. And in the park, I have also seen some chickens. Why were there chickens in the park? I don't know. Maybe they were pets. I like to eat chickens. Sorry, chickens. And in the park, you can also see fish. The fish swim in the water, and the blue heron likes to eat the fish. Another animal that I see in the park is a snake. And the snake crawls on the ground, or he slithers on the ground. He slithers or he crawls. And in the park, there are also many, many squirrels. Here is a squirrel. And what do squirrels like to eat? They like to eat nuts. And another animal that looks like a squirrel, but is very little, is the chipmunk. There are many chipmunks in the park. Also in the park, I have seen a beautiful deer, D-E-E-R, deer. And in the park, I have seen a fox. Here's the fox. Come on, fox, we want to see you. Here is the fox. F-O-X, fox. And another animal that is bigger than the fox is the coyote. And I have seen coyotes in the park. Coyote. C-O-Y-O-T-E. And he likes to hunt other animals to eat. Another animal that I have seen in the park is a bat. And here is a picture of a bat eating an insect. And in the park, you can see many, many dogs. the dogs are pets and people are walking their dogs. And in the park, my wife said that she saw a pet pig. A pet pig. And I said, you did not see a pet pig in the park. And my wife said, I did see a pet pig in the park. And I said, you did not see a pet pig in the park. She said, ask my friend. So I asked the friend, did you see a pet pig in the park? And her friend said, yes, we did see a pet pig in the park. So sometimes, I guess, there are pigs in the park. That's it. Bye-bye, students.